today is all about visualizing and describing solid figures. We are in week 3, day 3. Learning objective. At the end of the learning period, the students shall have visualized and described solid figures. Pretest. Directions. Associate the following objects with the given solid figure by matching column A and column B. For column A, number 1, party hat. Number 2, basketball. 3, can of sardines. 4, Rubik's Cube. 5, the Great Pyramid of Giza. And for column B, we have the figures. For number 1, the correct answer is D. For number 2, the correct answer is C. Number 3, the correct answer is A. Number 4, the correct answer is D. And number 5, the correct answer is D. Let's answer the recap. Which of these polygons are congruent in shape and size? Encircle them and write the statement for each. The correct answer for number 1 is A is congruent to E. Number 2, figure B is congruent to figure C. Number 3, figure I is congruent to figure L. Number 4, figure N is equal to figure O. And number 5, the correct answer is figure J is congruent to figure M. Were you able to pair them up? Look at the proper association of the name of the object and the solid shape that corresponds to it below. Okay, kids, look at the figure. For number 1, we have Rubik's Cube. For number 2, the shoebox. Number 3, the party hat. Next, the Great Pyramid of Giza. The next one, basketball. And the can of sardines. Okay. For Rubik's Cube, the shape of that is correct, cube. For shoebox, we have rectangular prism. For the party hat, we have cone. Very good. And the Great Pyramid of Giza is a pyramid. How about the basketball? That is sphere. And the can of sardine is a cylinder. These figures are often seen in real life. Figures like the one represented above are called solid figures. What is a solid figure? Solid figures are three-dimensional figures. A three-dimensional object that has length, width, and height. Moreover, they may have faces, edges, and vertices. A face is the flat surface of a solid figure. Look at the illustration below. Okay, those are the faces of a cube and a pyramid. How many faces does a cube have? Very good. A cube has 6 faces. How about a rectangular pyramid? Correct. A rectangular pyramid has 5 faces. Does a sphere have any faces? Correct. A sphere has no faces. How about cylinder? Good. A cylinder has no faces. How about cylinder? Good. A cylinder has no faces. An edge is formed when 2 faces meet. An edge is a straight line segment. Look at the illustration below. We have the rectangular prism and a triangular prism. How many edges does a rectangular prism and a triangular prism have? Correct. A rectangular prism has 12 edges, while a triangular prism has 9 edges. A vertex is a point where edges meet. As you can see in our figure, we have how many vertices are there? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For the rectangular pyramid, we have 5 vertices. How about in the rectangular prism? Okay, note, vertices is the plural form of a vertex. How many vertices does a rectangular pyramid and a rectangular prism have? Alright, a rectangular pyramid, Alright, a rectangular pyramid has 5 vertices, while rectangular prism has 8 vertices. Does a cylinder have a vertex? Okay, a cylinder has no vertex. Okay. Solid figures are either polyhedron or non-polyhedron. A solid is a polyhedron if all its faces are polygons, otherwise it is a non-polyhedron. Polyhedron may be a prism or a pyramid. A prism is made up of 2 parallel and congruent bases, which can be any polygon. The other faces are parallelograms. A prism is named after the shape of its base. If its base is a triangle, it is called a triangular prism. If it is a pentagon, it is called a pentagonal prism, as shown below. A pyramid has only one base, which can also be any polygon. The other faces are triangles, which meet at a common vertex. A pyramid is also named after the shape of its base. If the base is a square, we call it a square pyramid. If the base is a triangle, we call it triangular pyramid. If the base is an octagon, we call it octagonal pyramid. Now, what can you see about the figure below? That is a rectangular pyramid. Here are examples of polyhedron. Look at the first figure. That is a triangular prism. The second one, we have rectangular prism. The third one, pentagonal prism. The fourth, we have triangular pyramid. Next, we have rectangular pyramid. And the last one, we have pentagonal pyramid. Here are examples of non-polyhedron. For number one, for the first figure, we have cylinder. A cylinder is a solid with congruent parallel circular bases connected by a curved face. Next, we have cone. A cone is a solid with a circular base connected by a curved surface to a single vertex. And the third figure is a sphere. A sphere is a set of points space that is the same distance from a given point. A sphere has no faces, edges, or vertices. Let's answer the activities. Activity 1. Practice. Write the name of each solid figure. Choose your answer in the box. Rectangular pyramid, sphere, cylinder, cube, triangular prism, and cone. Look at the first figure. Number 1. The correct answer is rectangular pyramid. Second figure. Correct answer is cone. Next, number 3. The correct answer is cube. Number 4 figure. The correct answer is sphere. And the last figure, number 5, the correct answer is cylinder. Activity 2. Keep practicing. Name the space or solid figure that each object represents. Number 1. The roof of the house. Correct answer is triangular prism. Number 2. Hat of a clown. The correct answer is cone. Number 3. A baseball. Correct answer is sphere. Number 4, a drum. What solid figure? Correct answer is cylinder. And number 5, your math book. And the correct answer is rectangular prism. Activity 3, test yourself. Identify if the given figure is polyhedron or not polyhedron. For number 1 figure, the correct answer is polyhedron. Number 2 figure, the correct answer is non-polyhedron. Number 3, the correct answer is non-polyhedron. Number 4, correct answer is polyhedron. And number 5, the correct answer is polyhedron. Okay, let's answer the wrap-up. Name the space or solid figures that each figure represents. For number 1, Rubik's Cube. That is correct, cube. Number 2, a ball. That is sphere. Number 3, an ice cream. Answer is cone. Number 4, Coca-Cola in can. The correct answer is cylinder. Number 5, Toblerone. The correct answer is triangular prism. Number 6, a refrigerator. Correct answer is rectangular prism. Number 7, obvious, correct, pyramid. And number 8, correct answer is hexagonal prism. For valuing your youngest sister's 7th birthday, due to pandemic situation, gatherings and other occasions are not allowed. But you and all members of the family want to make your youngest sister happy celebrate it with your family alone. What are the things you can contribute to the party using the art materials you have at home and using the solid figures? Write your answer in your math notebook. Post test. Directions. Read and understand each statement. Circle the letter of the correct answer. 1. What do you call a space figure that has 2 circular bases and a curved surface? A. Cone. B. Cylinder. C. Cube. D. Rectangular prism. Correct answer is B. Cylinder. 2. Which statement refers to a pyramid? A. It is a polyhedron. B. It has parallel sides. C. It has a circular base. D. It has a curved face. And the correct answer is A. 3. What are the examples of non-polyhedron? A. Cube, cone, and cylinder. B. Cone, sphere, and cylinder. C. Cone, cube, and rectangular prism. D. Sphere, cone, and triangular prism. And the correct answer is D. Number 4. What space or solid figure does the party hat represent? A. Rectangular prism. B. Triangular prism. C. Cube. Or D. Cone. And the correct answer is D. Cone. Number 5. In the figure below, how many parallel faces are there? A. 2, B. 4, C. 6, D. 8. And the correct answer is C. 6. And that's all for today, kids. Thank you for watching.